Blessings, everyone. This is Chris Kendall from therawadvantage.com, registered holistic nutritionist, raw food lifestyle coach, and raw chef. Today we're making an amazing recipe from my friend Daniel, Enzyme 333, his Riceless sea moss aloe vera wraps. Let's get into it.
Baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Hey.
Alright, so Dan's got a lot of epic recipes. You're going to want to check him out, but what inspired you to make this one, man?
So I've always wanted to do a rice wrap, but rice isn't completely raw. So I thought about it and I decided to use aloe vera gel.
Ooh, cool.
Because it's transparent and it has pretty much no flavor. Sometimes it can be a little bit bitter, but what you do is you just soak it in water for a while and that bitter flavor gets released into the water. And then I used sea moss, one of my favorite ingredients, because again, it's clear, it doesn't have much of a flavor, and it gels up really nicely. So this recipe would probably be really, really good for your skin because sea moss is a known collagen super booster. And they say aloe is also really, really good for your skin topically and internally by eating it. And same with sea moss.
Great for your digestive tract too, huh?
So good for your digestive tract. When I ingest sea moss, I can tell that it's super nice on my skin. The next day, I feel my skin and I'm just like, wow, that's really, really nice.
Is sea moss the same as Irish moss?
Sea moss and Irish moss are the same thing, yeah. There's many different species of sea moss. This is golden sea moss from the Caribbean. There's also spaghetti sea moss, you can get purple sea moss, and then there's the actual Irish sea moss from Ireland and Atlantic Canada, and it looks a little bit different than this, but it's basically the same thing.
Yeah. You got a favorite brand too that we can share, and I do too as well in the notes below, hey?
Yeah, I actually sell it myself.
Oh, cool.
I distribute it.
Shameless plug, we'll put that in there.
Yeah, Moss Boss.
There we go, the Moss Boss. All right, so what are the rough proportions that you use for this?
So lately I haven't been measuring it, but I usually just go 50-50.
Yeah.
Usually about 70 grams of sea moss and 50 grams of aloe.
Yeah.
And then I just pop it into the Vitamix or whatever blender you're using.
Yep. You can grab a Vitamix with free shipping in my link below, yo.
And then you just put the aloe vera gel in there. And then what I do is I usually fill it with water to about just below the level of the ingredients.
Yeah.
I do have exact measurements in my ebooks.
Yeah. Which ebook?
It's called Edible Art.
Okay. Yeah, we'll have a link for all your ebooks. You got like 5 good epic books, or is it 6?
This is a 6th ebook.
6 books.
Yeah.
Sick,
I'm coming
man.
out with a 7th and 8th soon.
Nice.
It'll be a dessert ebook and then just another ebook full of entrees and fun meals. So yeah, I'll take some of, fill this up with
reverse osmosis water right there.
Yeah, we'll start with that and then okay, so I'm just gonna pour 2 piles in there. This will make 2 really nice clear wraps.
We're gonna have this for dinner tomorrow, huh?
Yeah, tomorrow. And this is a really fun recipe because it's beautiful. They're very aesthetically pleasing.
And you said it's super easy too, right? We just pop in the dehydrator and just let it completely dehydrate.
Yeah.
Don't have to be finicky with the time and worry about that. It can get fully dry.
Yeah, it just peels right up off the sheet. Use gravity to pull it around here.
So it can be really thin, hey?
Yeah, I let it go pretty thin.
That's cool.
Yeah.
It's kind of like sea snot.
It's kind of a mucusy texture, yeah. It's almost like skin.
Yeah.
Like, it's not surprising that it's such a good collagen booster because it actually kind of looks like skin.
So good with trace minerals too, right? That isn't normally found in a lot of produce today.
Yeah, it has something like, what, 90 some odd minerals out of the 103, 104 or so minerals that the human body needs.
Yeah.
It doesn't really have to be perfect because it's gonna roll up into a wrap.
What do you like to fill them with?
So lately I've been doing bloomed forbidden black rice. I've done some with kelp noodles, colored kelp noodles that I color with E3 Live, Blue Magic, Blue Spirulina. I like to put some peppers in there, purple cabbage, but anything that's colorful, anything that's gonna really, really have that bright color, because it is transparent, so you're kind of
showcasing insides.
You're showcasing the innards of the wrap.
Well, you guys are gonna have to see what we decide to put in there for tomorrow. That's gonna be in that part 2, because we're gonna put these in the dehydrator and then get on with our evening.
Yeah.
This is quick and easy, man.
Yeah, no, it's a really, really easy, simple, quick recipe, and it looks super cool.
When you have it fully dehydrated, how do you store it? And like, can it last a little while, or do you want to eat it soon?
No, you could put it in your cupboard for months and months on end.
Nice.
I store them on my shelf.
Yeah, I've done the same with my pizza crusts, and they can just chill for quite a while.
Yeah.
Anything that's fully dehydrated is a good preservation tool, huh?
Yeah.
Sick. Let's pop these in the dehydrator. There we go. Just slide her in.
Just like that.
What temperature?
I usually do it at about 95.
Yeah.
Anywhere between 95 and 105 should be good. 95 is, I think, 35 Celsius.
Okay. Whoa, you put her low, hey? I usually do it like 115 to 118.
I've been doing 95 lately. I don't know why. I've just...
Keeping the enzyme. You're your enzyme, man. And tomorrow, we'll go to the next part.
That's right.
Heck yeah, brother. Right, it's the next day. We got these sheets. We're ready to wrap them and roll them.
Wrap and roll.
Let's do it. Got some filling and you're making a sauce. Hey, what are you making?
Hoisin sauce from my latest ebook, Edible Art. So I've got some dates.
Oh, no, don't tell the secrets, bro. It's get the book, man. Get the book, bro.
A little bit of avocado action going on here.
Damn.
Okay, when you're ready to use them, you just give it a quick spritz. This is water, by the way.
Yeah.
Grab the avocado.
Uh-oh.
Fan that out.
I'm a fan of this already.
Probably about that much. And then you're gonna put orange peppers on there.
Yeah. Add a salad with a big old salad too.
Trying to get some purple cabbage in there because it's so beautiful. And we're gonna put some marinated baby king oysters.
What kind of marinade you got on that, playa?
It's chili powder Ethiopian berbere.
Oh, one of my favorites ever.
Totally. A little bit of this. I was gonna use wasabi, but this is the Bubby's beet horseradish. All Bubby's products are raw and unpasteurized.
Damn.
This for flavor and color. Try not to put too much in it because it is strong.
Oh yeah, that'll be like, bow!
Oh yeah, this will be hitting in nasal passages.
Opening them up.
And then some basil for that authentic Vietnamese salad roll flavor.
Wow, damn.
These are so good.
And you're just folding it, wrapping
Fold
it.
it up. Fold and wrap. Try to get it as tight as you can.
Like a toiga.
Yeah, it's working pretty good. See, look how transparent and how cool it showcases
What's inside?
beautiful veggies.
Oh my god, I want that in my mouth. Seriously, I'm so excited. And we have this delicious hoisin sauce to dip it in. Oh my gosh. That looks ridiculous. Holy cow. Wow, we taking some nice pictures of that. And we just repeat. Man, you are the freaking genie. This is gonna be an awesome feast. This is Dan's Jam, a live root beer, ancient mushroom, kind of kombucha, is it a bit?
It's actually not kombucha, it's an apple cider ferment.
Wow.
So it's very legit root beer though.
Dang.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this. Are you serious? You almost can't even see the freaking sheet.
So yeah, no, it's true. It's so translucent.
You're saying these things are hardy, like you've brought them around and like almost like
I
juggled with them, and they're pretty secure.
Yeah, you could swing it around like a baseball bat. I've taken them to the skate park, to the bar, eaten them at the bar.
Wow. So naughty man.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Look at that. Just look at that. Would you just look at that? Seriously. Where are we gonna find you, bro? Where are we finding you?
Enzyme.333 on Instagram.
Yeah.
I do have a YouTube channel starting up. It's called Enzymes Raw Kitchen.
Yeah.
It's very, very new.
Yeah.
I think I have like maybe 100 followers.
Dang.
So,
And we're both Enzyme and me, we're from Saskatoon, Saskatchewan here. We've been rocking it for a long time and raw food for like 20 years each. It's yeah, freaking skating it up. We'll put your skate clip in here too, brother. It'd be sick.
straight up.
Nice, man. Yes. So give him a check out. Definitely subscribe to both his Instagram and his YouTube and check out all of his books. He's got some ridiculous raw masterpieces. This is just a tip of the iceberg or the non-rice wrapberg.
Yeah.
Dang. It's like the most nutrient-dense rice paper, non-rice paper ever, too. Let's plate these and smash this back, man.
Totally.
Boom. Wow, brother, you are a freaking magician. Check this action out. Oh yeah, and it's salad time as well. It's gonna be a feast. All right, should we smash this back, brother? Should I give it a try?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so stoked. Since I first seen you post about this, I've wanted to try it. Look at that, it's so seriously insane. All right, I'm gonna give it a proper dip.
Give it a proper dip.
I'm gonna give it a super dip, actually. This sauce is so good.
Oh, yeah. Badass. Oh my god, it looks so good.
This is so
I'm so hungry looking at this.
Holy crap. Join me. Join us. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. It's so good. The only sad thing is that we don't have like 65 of these.
Should have made more.
Cheers, brother. They're so good. 2 bites up.
I'll get it. Dippings on there. Just like that.
That is so proper. I hope you love this video. I hope you check out Dan on his Instagram, on his YouTube. Check out all of his amazing books. Everything's gonna be linked below. Thanks so much, brother. This has been an amazing feast. Next up, salad time. As always, wishing you much peace, love, and seasonal fruit.
Riceless aloe vera sea moss wraps. Be sure to check out Dan for more.
Grab your free raw recipe app, available on iPhone and Android with over 100 free raw recipes, common fruit and vegetable calorie breakdown, frickin' raw some food combining chart, shopping cart function, and so much more.